Hello all the professionals and the college students. This is Gurukul Studies channel, and in this video lecture we're gonna discuss about the valves. So the content of this video is the meaning and the definition of valve, type of valve used in process or in chemical or petrochemical industries, working principle of valves, application of valves in process or in petrochemical industries. So the meaning and definition of valve is: valves are mechanical devices that control the flow and pressure within a system or process. They are essential component of a piping system that convey liquids, gases, vapors, slurries, etc. Right. So this is the definition of valve. And the main function of valve are to start or stop a flow, to increase or reduce a flow, to control the flow, to prevent backflow, to relieve a pipe system at a certain pressure, to safeguard the system. The meaning of this line is, if we want to reduce the pressure, then we use the some valves, right? Just like PRV and PSV. So next point is to throttle. So these are the all the function of the valve. The type of valve used in process industries. So this is the part 1 of this video lecture, and second part will be coming soon. And the first type of valve is ball valve, second is gate valve, third one is globe valve, fourth one is plug valve, fifth one is butterfly valve. So one by one we'll discuss all the valve. So first we'll start with the ball valve. So the advantages of ball valve is they contain a compact and low maintenance design that require no lubrication. So this valve have one most advantage is the this valve does not require too much maintenance. They are low cost effective. They are cost effective among all the valves. They provide leak proof service. They open and close quickly. Ball valves have multi way design flexibility. So these are the advantages of ball valve. Now we'll proceed to disadvantages of ball valve. Ball valves are not suitable for permanent throttling. So this is not the best valve for the throttling. In residual fluid, the particle in the fluid collide with the surface and stick to them. This may cause leakage, abrasion, and other problems. So in residual fluid, in fluid also the particle. So in the application of ball valves are used for flow and pressure controls and shut off for corrosive fluids, slurries, normal liquid, and gases. So for this for corrosive fluids, slurries, and normal liquid and gases, we can use this ball valve for shut up the liquid. So in here you can see the PNID of the ball valve, which is the use in the PNID symbols. So here is the design of the ball valve. Here you can say this is the top part is handle. After that there is a stem, the ball inside the valve. There is a seat nearer to the ball, and the ball body. Right. So next valve is gate valve. So the advantages of gate valve are: gate valve contains very low friction loss. So it is having very low friction loss. They provide laminar flow. Pressure loss is minimum. Pressure loss is minimum. So and there is a laminar flow in gate valve. Gate valve help to save energy and reduce total cost of ownership. Okay, it saves energy as well. There will be low pressure drop when open fully or tight sealing. When it is fully open or fully closed, it provides low pressure drop. So are the disadvantages of the gate valve are: gate valve cannot be open or closed quickly. They cause vibrations. So it is not close quickly or open, right? It cause vibrations. In system where high pressure temperature changes irregularly due to the load in pipe at the valve and leakage in gate valves occurs. Okay, next point is the operation, maintenance, and repair of gate valves seating surface are complex. So the maintenance, operation, and the seating surface are too much complex, right? The applications: gate valves are used gate valve are suitable to use in high temperature and pressure conditions. So in high temperature or in pressure we use the gate valves. They are used for on off applications. So this is gate valve is used for the on off applications. So here you can see the PNID symbol of the gate valve and the Valve design, there is inside one gate which open or close when we rotate the handle of the valve. So third one is glove valve. The advantages of glove valve are: glove valve throttling, the pull closing characteristic is good. So in throttling purpose, glove valve is the best. The opening closing time is shorter, and the opening and closing time is also shorter. Body ring sitting surface process is easier, and the sitting process is also easier. They contain positive setup, and it is having positive setup. Disadvantages of the glove valve are: pressure loss is higher. To close under high pressure, glove valves require large amount of force to an actuator with a large torque. So in high pressure, it requires too much force to close the valve, or required more torque. So the application of glove valve are used primarily for throttling purpose. For throttling purpose, we can use glove valve. They may be considered as general purpose flow control valve that are used for high temperature applications. So here you can see the PNID symbol of the glove valve and the design of the glove valve. You can identify the ball by just seeing it. Which type of valve is this? Next one is our plug valve. The advantages of plug valve are: plug valve have simple design with few parts, and it is having simple design with few parts. Plug valves open and close easily except large dimensions. If there is a small valve, then it is easily open and close, but if it is a large dimension valve, then it will take more force to open or close the valve. Maintenance and repair of plug valve can be done at the place of operation. So it is having few parts, so we can do the maintenance at that place also. Plug valves provide reliable leak proofness. So it is used for the reliable leak proofness. Disadvantages of the plug valve are: because of high friction, first movement requires a large amount of force. So in the first movement, opening or closing, it requires large amount of force. Generally, plug valves cost are much higher than ball valves. So it is having more cost than ball valves. Application of plug valve. Plug valve are high capacity valves that can be used for directional flow control even in moderate vacuum systems. Plug valve can efficiently handle gas and liquid fuel. Plug valve can safely handle extreme temperature flow such as boiler feed water, condensate and other such elements. Plug valve can be used to regulate the flow of liquid containing suspended solid, for example slurries, and this valve can also be used for the slurries and for high density liquids. So here you can see the plug valve PNID symbol and the design of the plug valve. So there is a plug inside the valve body, so which rotate up and down. Butterfly valve. So last valve is butterfly valve. The advantages of butterfly valve are: the compact design requires considerably less space compared to gate, globe or other valves. So the design of this valve is very less space, so it requires very less space as compared to other valves like gate, globe or other valves. This is light in weight. They have low pressure drop and high pressure recovery. It is having low pressure drop and high pressure recovery. Disadvantages: butterfly valve have limited throttling range. So there is a limited throttling range. Butterfly valves have although ability to handle slurries, but it is limited. It can handle slurries also, but there is a limitation. Butterfly valves require special seal for tight setup. For tight setup, it's required special seal. Butterfly valve require high torque required for control. For control, it require high torque. Applications: for cooling water, air, gases, fire protection, etc. For most of the industries in cooling system, we use the butterfly valves. Slurry and similar services. And for slurry and for similar service, we can use the butterfly valve. Compressed air or gas applications. And for compressed air and as well as gas application, we can use the butterfly valve. So this was the lecture. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel Gurukul Studies. And if you have any doubt about the type of valves we have discussed, you can comment in the comment box. And next video is coming soon for other valves we use in the chemical or in process industries. So be tuned to that. Thank you so much.